Today we're going to show you how to set up Servetty for online booking on Facebook or basically any other website in less than 60 seconds. Let's get started. So, first we go to products, we hit new product, we create one with basically any name. I'm just going to name it book. We add the text category for it, which I'm just going to put this under services. We scroll down, we add what the unit price is going to be and what's going to show up on the credit card statement. After creating that product, we go up to booking, we create a new service, we name it, we add a description, we link it to the product that we just made, we put in the deposit of $0, then we go next, we do the duration of the visit, which is going to be 45 minutes, next step, I'm already linked to me, then we put pending for the message, confirm for the message, rejection for the message, and that's going to be what gets sent out to the client. We create it, now we go back to booking, we copy the URL link that we just made, we paste it into Facebook or wherever we want it, and now we are done. We have booking on our page. Look at that. All you need to do is take that link and put it wherever you want to have booking. So Facebook, LinkedIn, your website, Google, anywhere you can paste the link, you can now book your services. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and click the link below or go to servetty.com for your 30-day free trial.